Vader, midnight. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Midnight. White boy. Vader. I don't carport update. Oh, also painting the front of my metal garage and front gate. Spanish red. And been painting, coat. Environment's tough here, so I really want it coated with good acrylic or metal. That was pretty much yesterday. Want to get the roof and the sides on all metal. We put the order in. And it's all going to be custom made, rolled out, custom length. Problem is they're so busy, it's going to be 5 days. So we'll delay on that. Did that order yesterday. Probably be here like Wednesday. Get the roof and sides on. Red metal. So, yeah, well, we'll get on to other projects. Like the wall. Security wall. Huh? Not much else for today. It's Saturday. Tomorrow will be off. Okay. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.